Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today I have new pebble vase decoration ideas for your garden area. You can see you can make different vase decoration ideas for your garden. You make easily for vase. It is very beautiful and stylish vase decoration ideas for pebble art. I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can see more video, then press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. I share different pebbles decoration ideas. Pebble art for family, for kids, for animals and for garden decoration ideas. So do not forget my YouTube channel. So take care, bye bye, see you soon.